Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I prepared Bisi Bele Baath using wheat bulgur. It turned out excellent. I've earlier posted a recipe preparing Bisi Bele Baath using rice. So preparing the same recipe using wheat bulgur is much healthier and it's diabetic friendly. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. I'll be using bulgur. We also call this as samba godume in local dialect or broken wheat. Red lentils. I'll be dry roasting the red lentils and the wheat bulgur. We need asafoetida, chopped tomato. I'm using kohlrabi, beans, French beans, carrots, peas, one large onion sliced, green chilli slit, and curry leaves. I'll also be using finely chopped coriander and lime. We'll be tempering it with mustard seeds and dried red chillies, chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. I'll be using Bisi Bele Baath powder. I've already posted a recipe how to prepare Bisi Bele Baath powder, and tamarind pulp. I've soaked the tamarind in warm water. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. Now I'm going to start preparing the Bisi Bele Baath. I'm going to start dry roasting the bulgur wheat first. Dry roasting the wheat will enhance the fragrance and taste in the recipe. We need to dry roast this on low to medium flame. Once it's dry roasted, it will change in color and it will be very aromatic. Remove it from the flame. It hardly took me 2 minutes to dry roast the wheat. Once I've removed the wheat from the flame, I'm going to dry roast the red lentils. Again, it's going to enhance the fragrance of the dish if you dry roast the red lentils. Once I've dry roasted the red lentils, I'm going to remove it from the flame and wash it twice and soak it for 5 minutes. So here I'm using the same wok to prepare the veggies. I've added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and place the wok on low to medium flame. We are going to parboil all the veggies. Once the oil has heated up, I've added mustard seeds and dried red chillies. I've broken the dried red chillies in half and added it to the oil. Once the mustard seeds have spluttered and stopped spluttering, that is when I've added slit green chillies, onion, curry leaves and tomato. I'll fry this on low to medium flame. I'll also be adding asafoetida, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now I've added asafoetida and I've fried all the ingredients. Once the onion and tomato has softened a bit, that is when I'll add all the chopped veggies. We can use seasonal veggies for this recipe. It doesn't mean you have to use the same veggies. I've added turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. Now I've added salt as per taste and combined the veggies with the onion and tomato. During jackfruit season, people also use raw jackfruit to prepare this Bisi Bele Baath. It turns out excellent. I've added about 2 cups of water and I'm going to parboil these veggies. We'll be adding it to the pressure cooker and cooking it along with the bulgur and the dal. So I'm going to allow this to cook on low to medium flame. Here you can see I've washed the bulgur and the red lentils together and allowed it to soak for a few minutes. Now I'm going to measure water. For every 1 cup of the wheat, bulgur and the dal, I've added 2 cups of water. In total, I've added 6 cups of water. I'll be placing it inside the pressure cooker and steam cooking it. So inside the pressure cooker, I placed water and trivet and the pot that is going to fit inside the pressure cooker along with the bulgur and the dal. I'll place the lid and the whistle and cook it for 3 whistles or for 10 minutes. The veggies have parboiled, it's ready. I'm going to add this to the bulgur and cook it again. Now at this point the bulgur, wheat and the dal has cooked. I'm going to check once. This tastes excellent as it is. You can just add a little bit of ghee and eat it as it is. It's a wonderful dish. You have to give this recipe a try. So instead of having dal rice, and people who are dieting basically avoiding rice can use bulgur wheat. Now I've transferred the bulgur wheat back to the pressure cooker. I've drained out all that water from the pressure cooker and used the same pressure cooker. I've transferred this bulgur wheat and dal to the pressure cooker now. I'll be adding the cooked veggies. Now at this point it's very tricky because in the veggies I've added 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water. Once I've mixed all the ingredients, I've measured and added about 3.5 cups of water because we need to cook this further. I'll be adding the Bisi Bele Baath powder and the tamarind pulp, 3.5 cups of water that I've measured and reserved. We just need to place this for another 2 whistles. Just 5 minutes, that's about it. It has to cook for 2 whistles. I'll also add ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee before placing the lid. Check for salt and add salt if needed. Now once I've placed the lid and the whistle, I'll cook it for 2 whistles, that is 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes my Bisi Bele Baath is ready. I'm going to go ahead and serve it. We just need to garnish it with some coriander, finely chopped coriander and lime juice. It might seem a lot of water initially, but once you mix it, it will be perfect. At this point everything is combined. Now I'm going to serve it. It's a 1-pot porridge dish, but a few steps if you follow, it's a very easy and simple dish. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. All the links to my blog and social media will also be listed in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and served this Bisi Bele Baath hot, topped with some ghee, and you can serve condiments like bundi, kara bundi, chips, yogurt and cucumber slices. That is basically what they serve here in Karnataka. So do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.